Hi, my name is Rohit Uprethi. I'm a junior currently studying at the University of Arizona. I'm majoring in chemical engineering. I was a former MESA student at Tucson High where I competed in the Wind Turbine Challenge.
Hello, I'm Cassandra Alejandro. I'm a senior here at ASU studying civil environmental engineering. I'm a former MESA participant myself from Peoria High School as well.
My name is Anwar El-Bandak. I'm a sophomore here at ASU. I'm studying construction engineering, and I was an MESA student. I was in Peoria High School for 2 years.
Hi, my name is Andrew Kwok, and I am a current student here at ASU, majoring in biomedical engineering, and I participated in the MESA program in high school at Peoria High School.
So for me, MESA is more than just mathematics, engineering, science achievement. It was the foundation upon which I was able to break into the STEM fields and really find out what I wanted to do for not only just the rest of my life, but what I wanted to study in college.
So I think what MESA means to me is it's a great program for younger kids to get their foot in the door for engineering. I think that there's a lot of different pathways to go on, and there's a good need for engineering out in the world. There's such a growing demand, and so I think that the program brings a lot of interest to the K through 12 kids.
To me, MESA played a big important role in my life. When I started it in high school, the MESA program at Peoria, it was the first experience and the first introduction I had into anything that was engineering at all. And it's really part of the reason that I'm here today at ASU and graduating this year in civil engineering is because of the introduction I had to engineering through MESA.
Definitely I can see how much MESA had much of influence on me and on my career. For example, working with MESA for 2 years helped me gain my communication skills, my work team skills, where me and my other team members, we will work so hard together in order to get that project done.
So I want to congratulate everyone who's competing in Arizona's MESA Day this year, especially those doing the prosthetic arm event, which is the national competition, and good luck.
So I think MESA has been a really great experience for me when I was in it. When I was back in high school, I was able to do the national challenge, which was the windmill challenge back then. And so the goal was to generate air energy and translate it back into electrical energy to move a car and do other things.
MESA is the place where you can find the engineer in you. It's the place where it's going to bring out those skills, those mathematical skills, those science skills, all those skills that you have, you bring them in one place that you're going to show your skills at one specific competition. MESA is the first place where I got my medal. It's the first place where I got to go and compete. It is the first place where I started working as a group member in order to achieve one specific project.
So when I was competing in MESA, I got the opportunity to go to Denver, Colorado to compete in the national competition, and it was such an eye-opening experience. Not only did I get to meet people who were also interested in the science and STEM fields who were competing in the same project as I was, but I also got to meet people from technical fields who had perspectives from different areas such as hydrology, wind turbines, and even electrical systems as well. And that was, it not only was it a lot of fun, but I got to apply myself to problem solving in a real world setting.
I think one of the greatest things about that project for me personally was the ability to just work so closely with my group and just learn a lot about the engineering design process. So going through from idea generation all the way to building and then testing, it was a lot of work, but at the end of the day when we brought it to competition and got to see it work, it was one of the most fulfilling things.
So regardless of what competition you're competing in, all those skills that you've obtained from working on that project, you'll carry those skills into your college and eventually your career. And just remember that you will be building upon those fundamental skills that you've obtained through MESA as you progress.
I'm here today and I was helping out with the hydropower water wheel, And I just wanted to let you guys know, when I came here to ASU my freshman year, I actually did the same exact project in my 100 level engineering class. And that just goes to show you guys that the small scale things that you guys are doing now, you may see again in college, and you may have a similar project in your career if you choose to go into engineering. And that's just showing that the design process that you guys go through now, small scale, can be brought to big scale, and you may use it either as an engineering student in college or in the real world when you're a professional engineer practicing.
You. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You know, the things you're doing right now, it's the things that's going to set up your future.
So at the end of the day, whatever competition you were in, whatever the results were, how hard you worked on it is really important. And at the end of the day, we hope you had a lot of fun and that you're hoping to consider a college career, and especially in the STEM field.
So I can say MESA is the reason why I'm here at ASU.
It was why I'm here today, and it's just really important, I think, and it's a really good program that shows kids what engineering is and what they can do and what they can accomplish if they just set their mind to one task and get to designing.
It was a good way for me to get introduced and decide on my pathway into going engineering and what the general idea of what that world looks like.
I'm glad I was able to partake in it because it's given me not just skills, but I was given opportunities to do things that really were just really awesome.